Hello, this is a short video on how to log on to a PeopleNet onboard computer. Start out by touching the driver ID. Your driver ID is your employee ID number. Your password is your hire date. If you do not know your hire date, talk to your manager. He'll be able to get it for you. Once you've entered that, press the submit button and the computer will make a data call to get your logs off of the server. This may take 2 or 3 minutes to complete, depending upon the cellular connection and the traffic. You can tell that it's sending a data call when this icon starts flashing. It is now downloading my logs from the internet. Normally downloads 16 logs. You have now successfully logged into the PeopleNet onboard computer.